Good morning guys! So nandito kami ngayon sa Tangier in Tangier or Tangier. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-pronounce, sa Morocco. So dito namin celebrate yung birthday ko, and then I'm so happy kasi I'm with my children again, and ayan, busy sa cellphone. We just finished having Moroccan breakfast. See that? See? But the kids had the waffle. So anyway, so I'm just giving you a greeting. So baka hindi ako masyado makakapag-upload ng kung ano-ano kasi nga mahirap yung internet dito sa Morocco kasi party na to ng Africa, malapit siya sa dagat. So hopefully I'll be able to update you on my birthday, and syempre namimili pa din ako ng mga school supplies winners. Pagpasensyahan nyo na ako, mabagal yung pagpili ko kasi nga sobrang busy ako sa paggagala. But every time that I have a free time, I will do my best na mag-review sa YouTube natin at doon tayo mamimili ng mga winners. Ganun na rin dito sa Facebook. But most of the winners from now on will be chosen from YouTube channel natin para magkaroon ng view yung ating mga video sa YouTube kasi nga nakalimutan ko na siyang i-promote. But we will do our school supplies regardless. May mga napili na ako na mga nanalo. Please pakiintay lang na mai-post ko at mai-process dahil hindi po gumagana yung GCash ko dito, kaya pinapaayos ko pa at hopefully at makapag-send na tayo ng mga panalo ninyo at para makapamili na kayo dahil pasukan na dyan sa Pilipinas. So always sending you my love guys, and never give up kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan nyo. Always be positive in life para maging maganda at maging maalwan yung buhay ninyo. If you're experiencing really in bad situation right now, keep going kasi kapag nasa ilalim na kayo, there's no way but going up again. So sending you all my love guys. Mwah, 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 mwah. Okay, we're having Moroccan tea, so you have to do it 3 times. So this is the 3rd time. Oy! We're having Moroccan breakfast. Nice. You have to bring it out like this today. Yeah, and then go down, then go down. Then you have to put back the tea inside, and then do it again 3 times. That's how the Moroccan do it. Having breakfast, guys. So of course, Nutella for the kids because they don't want the Moroccan breakfast. And this is for Shiloh. Say hi, Shiloh. There, you can. Nutella, banana. Kenny, your Nutella. We had mojito for breakfast. And we had the Irish, ay hindi pala, ano ba? Moroccan tea. May mint yan sa loob. Tingnan nyo guys. Fresh mint sa loob. Tapos ito yung Moroccan breakfast nila. Hindi ako kumakain ng olives. But it's nice. Itong parang ano siya, smoked beef ba? Ayan. So this is our breakfast. Ito yung labas. Medyo close pa lahat kasi maaga pa. Your breakfast. Did you enjoy breakfast, Kenny? This is Kenneth's 2nd time. This crepe and banana. Shiloh, did you enjoy breakfast? Hey, did you enjoy breakfast? Huh? Is that your enjoyment face? Huh? Is that the